How you doing, guys? Welcome back. It's LSP, and in today's video I want to address the fundamental question: should we be investing in cryptocurrencies going into 2023? So before we get to the charts, I want to address a few things. Cryptocurrencies have been dropping for the entire year of 2022 and showing no signs of stopping. If we look at Bitcoin is down since January 68%. We've seen no signs that Bitcoin is going to recover anytime soon, and in fact I absolutely firmly believe that we are going to end up down here on Bitcoin, 11,655, potentially lower, and even as low as 8,000, right? We're seeing no signs of any relief. We're seeing no signs of any bounce. We're seeing no signs that any volume is coming back into the marketplace. So going into 2023, the question is, why would anybody in their right mind invest in cryptocurrencies? These are the questions that we need to be asking ourselves. We advocate cryptocurrency. We talk about cryptocurrency. We're involved in cryptocurrency. But why would anybody in their right mind invest in it when we have the collapses of many exchanges, the downright theft of investor funds? Confidence in crypto is at an all-time low. Volumes across all crypto-related subsets has all but dried up. That's including reflection tokens, static tokens, and so on. Meme tokens. And if the lagging effect of inflation really hits the market, it's unlikely to pick up anytime soon. So where does that leave us, the investors, right? What should we be thinking going into 2023? Now that seems like all sort of doom and gloom, but to be honest, if we go back to the charts for a second and we look at Bitcoin as it is, down here, as we look at this chart, the chart is representing where price currently is, where it was, and where it could potentially be going in the future, right? You guys have seen me talk about charts many, many times, so I'm just going to keep this really, really simple. From this point to this point, right, we have an opportunity to watch price unfold and potentially bleed into this area. It could accelerate, it could even go up from here, but we're seeing all signs that price is going to continue going down. So the one thing that we need to do going into 2023, especially the first quarter of 2023, is be patient. That's it. We just need to be patient, and we need to understand that cryptocurrency isn't going anywhere. It has its place, within the financial system, right? And ultimately, as time goes by, this is just going to increase and increase, and there will be a time where cryptocurrency starts to pick up again. Volumes start to come back into the entire space, and we start to see things flourish again. But at the moment, we are in not necessarily defensive mode, but we're looking for an opportunity to pick up potentially Bitcoin or some of the other things that we're invested in terms of crypto at much lower prices. I don't see any point picking up Bitcoin at 16,500 when I could comfortably pick it up at 11,000 or 8,000. I firmly, absolutely believe that it's going to go down there, and I'm seeing no indication that that's not the case. So we as investors need to be very, very patient. We need to evolve the way that we're investing in cryptocurrency. We need to learn to be better investors going into the new year, right? So we're going to monitor things going into the new year, predominantly the first quarter, January, February, and March. We should start to see signs, that something's happening. We'll be able to monitor it. We'll be able to see the drops if they come, and we'll be able to, act accordingly based on what we're seeing within that first quarter. And it should give us a really good indication of what to expect for the entire year, to be honest. I'll leave you with Binance, because Binance is obviously going through quite a few things at the moment in terms of some of these exchanges going down. You guys know the full story. I'm not going to go into it, but ultimately, if Bitcoin goes down, it's dragging the rest of the market with it, and I think Binance has a very, very good chance of, sort of ending up at 200 again and potentially down at 148. All the reasons that I've discussed previously in the past. And with all of that said, make sure you give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel to receive, notifications when I either go live or when I'm discussing some things regarding trading and cryptocurrency and all the other good stuff that you see from me. The link to the Discord is in the description below. If anybody wants to pop by there, I'm always around. And with that said, I hope everybody has an absolutely fantastic new year. And I'm hoping that 2023 is going to be amazing for everybody. All the best, guys. Take care. Ciao for now.